Viewers, welcome back. Today we're going to put the magnetos and the little spacers, remember that from the disassembly, and the wire harness and the loom and the little retainer and the little condenser, all that stuff back onto this motor correctly. Let's make that happen. Okay, so the first step is to bring this whole mess up where it belongs. Okay, like such. Kind of doing this backwards, so you'll have to bear with me. I have rotated the flywheel in such a way that there are no magnets pulling my magnetos around. So again, we're just getting everything kind of set up. Remember this little guy, and then I like to I think I tuck both wires up underneath him. We'll put him back where he's supposed to be without pinching no wires. This was our fuel cutoff solenoid, so we're just going to go ahead and hook him up appropriately right now. This was the goofy mag that needed the spacers on it, so don't forget those. We'll just install that, and we will install that. Now, I believe, because I didn't take any pictures of this, we had a stud, I took pictures, that went here. Then we had a longer bolt that went here, okay. And then we had kind of a shorter bolt that went here. So bolts are specific per side. We're gonna get those kind of threaded-ish down. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the spark plug right now so we don't forget. Not that I would forget something like that, but it makes me feel better. Next, I'm simply going to take one of these envelopes. I'm going to fold it this way, I guess. Okay, like such. Tear that down the middle so that it kind of sort of fits. And then we're going to sneak it behind like such. We're going to push that guy up tightly. And, oh boy. Well, that's kind of slowly biting the dust. We're going to do the exact same thing on this mag over here. Okay. Oh boy. Inch that out. Oh yeah. Okay, and then we will wait for the box to collapse. Slowly rotate this thing around to make absolutely sure our magnets are clearing the magnetos. Just do that slowly. So everything's good. I like it. Sweet. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to kind of schmooze all these wires together. We're going to slide the conduit or the loom back up there, because I believe that's where this all ends up underneath the starter or something like that. Then we can take this little guy. So on the bottom there is a flat spot on this little wire tie bracket. Line him up with said flat spot on the motor, obviously. Okay, might play some musical wires here a little bit. This never really fits together all that great, even when these engines were brand new. I never liked how this looked, okay? So that's gonna kind of hang on to that guy. It's kind of hinky. And this, I don't know if it's supposed to clip into there or what it was, but seriously, I recall that being how they came. So anyway, I think we put the loom on not the same way that it was before, but that's okay. We'll kind of massage everybody about like that. Next up's this bracket. Takes these type of fasteners. Next up's our wire harness. So this is really easy to hook up. So the white ones, or the gray ones, whatever, is really obvious. There's another guy lurking inside of here. Try not to block the camera. So the yellow, pretty sure it's yellow, it's gonna hook up about like that. Red, just our kill switch, and charge, and charge. Okay. Then I like to massage all of that hot mess up into that wire loom. That's better. And then the last little guy is the S terminal on the starter. Okay, at this point we should be able to put a little bit of cinch, not a ton, onto that zip tie. Well, you got it, folks. That is the installation of your wire harness, your voltage regulator, and all of that good fun stuff that makes this engine work. Don't forget your magnetos and all the other good stuff. So it looks like the last piece we have is the fan shroud, which is just bonehead simple on this one. Almost as easy as putting the starter in. Not quite. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.